Yewra ensamfo from Reverend DSP Stella Ama Kacho Anku Eba eneduafo dwumadie mu a santemanta mu woye omosofo na ono na eku a yefre no General Maneuver Outreach Ministry oye General Overseer na mamin adwene ni nuanom neduafo pa titum ene emuma no eno nti afia no hyiaye ena womo entomatam makomako ahasa aduonum kyerese omamu nyina babia eneduafo ewa ema eda ho no ena ode sa adoye ama wonum mama kyerese woye wem ede selie ahye wonum afromu mapapa efri se dan da mpanika se wonum amoda yempo omuhunu nyame na wonum amabutuo wa wodnam asase so ampramampa bi mpo fa ho no usi mu odin na wonum a ya kyekere wonza gu omachi a omuda ne duafie no omasetem nso tesei na kye so omudie mu oya pa emako ene enimuntia eno nti woyem ade aso omu nkran sem wo mo so kan ye ho pa wo yendada setremu a yedidi wo fie a ye kai wonum a yerem emfro mu da biara da eno nti wotudin se entomatam ode ama wonum eho ka bese ene Ghana sika no empim aduonum 50,000 Ghana cedis eno de ebo ho bra woda wonum a omoboa no ewo sa adoye wu nyina ase esresem omanfo dodo na amaboa bi fi se ne duafo mu no wo mo asetena wo mo dada diem eno mo bra bom no eden pa ombehia ensadodo.
Obemaka's motivation to put smiles on the faces of the female prisoners. Some of them when at Christmas, some prisoners be best at Christmas. Now other prison if you are not in that show, oh feel so. Christmas if you go to me and trauma. Other prisons, one of them, my question now how my bush. Ejinama amanema, and now we can have peace of love to every female prisoner just to put smiles on their faces at Christmas. But no one at her. Now my man about the if you are not fear judgment. It's a man who a prison. I want to say no, and to some man no. Obama or prison and you back in the channel. But that prison, not for sending guys, see a stick man so. Obi Obama prison, you couldn't China. Over do fear and you couldn't. If you say, don't call but it's a mom with that prison, dear. Or say your mom was a shall attention, that's special care. If you say, obey media, and tomorrow, may one day 350 for the female prison and Obi. When I'm some man, I'm that summer also Sunday. Man, I'm a busher, and not Madame for the country from my mention, I know who did the baby. I have my yes to kaka afidu korea na adofo the bushran especially na adofo mobem etumi dem to makaka na yetumi ayi so na kan chama say there is hope even in prison obi dream omo now our prison I won't say den a erade be your madom they'll come back home they'll come and meet their children one now mo worry and erade be your madom o ma worry awoma they hope so can na 50,000.
Reverend DSP Stella Ama Anku ena mwatene nkan ya asante mantamu ne duafo mpanimfo no wono ene omomu sofo na doye achi ena asante mantamu opanimpa oda ene duafo omudwumadie ano Kumasi Central Prison so ono a ena ewo se officer in charge Owura James B Enmanyele wodi aseda kasiem ema maami papa pase wadwene ne duafo papa e wasabre mu eni adoye kase a wodi abeche wonu yi.
On behalf of all my regional counterpart colleagues, prisons, commanders especially who are female prisoners and prisoners, but above all on behalf of the female prisoners, including my very own master girls, all the number around 300 as of today. So I'm receiving this half-piece love on their behalf from the Maneuver Outreach Ministries, and to say thank you immensely for such a kind gesture. During we are still in the festive mood, and then to commend you and then to wish for God's blessings for the ministry, the outreach, and then long life, and all who have made this possible, with your constant reminders and following up the emails. I can imagine how happy they've been and they'll be. And so God will bless you. I think, and then we this is to say that wherever you are, reach out to the nearest prison, see how you can offer any support. So on behalf of all the female inmates in Ghana, so thanks a lot, my dear sister, Reverend Stella. God bless and keep you, and then all you work together with. For putting a smile on the faces of our female inmates. Thank you, and God bless and keep all of us.
Opemsuo.
Absanfo ni amotie eye Owura James B Enwanyele wono na Asante Manta mu neduafo adwuma